dancing up high. One slipped down and started to cry. Mama called the doctor on the phone that day. No more jumping while you play. Four little monkeys laughing loud, jumping together like a happy crowd. One fell down with a little ow ow. Mama said, be careful now. Three little monkeys jumping with glee, swinging their arms, 1, 2, 3. One missed a step and bumped a knee. No more jumping, said Mommy. Two little monkeys bouncing on the floor, spinning around and wanting more. One sat down by the bedroom